When's Smoko?
So here we are, I've just rolled the head over. It's on a bit of wood and some cardboard so I don't damage any of the guides. And we'll sit there and give it a very good clean. It looks very, very ugly. So here we are, guys. Popping the rockers out so I can give everything a clean. So trying to keep everything separate as much as possible. So I remember how it all goes back together. So as you can see, I've labelled it. Inlet and exhaust. So everything's laid out, ready to go. Even the head stoves in case something, head bolts in case something goes wrong. Yep, and sometimes that happens. Give it a wriggle and it pops out. Hope you guys don't get seasick. Right, there we go. So there's all the rockers out. So one of the next moves is give all this a good clean. Then we'll look at doing valve springs. I'll probably pull them all out, or I might put new jobbies in. I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna have a play and see how it all goes. So hang on. So I've compressed the spring. Apparently should be able to just lift those little collets out. So Ford in their infinite wisdom made it two little halves that lock onto the grooves down in there. So don't know if that's a cool thing or a shit thing, but we'll find out, I suppose. So there's a spring removed. The retaining plate, which is locked into place on the doohickey. And there's our valve with no valve spring. So there's a comparison of the original, and these are the heavy duty ones that we got from one of our barra, what would you call them, connoisseurs of Empire Elite. So the springs themselves are physically a lot thicker, not as many coils, but they are physically a lot thicker, and no. I'm going to start putting some valve strings back in the heads. So all I've done off camera is, after you last saw, was give the head a clean. Cleaned up all the valves. So I've just used a drill, bit of sandpaper, some Scotch-Brite stuff, and I've fitted the new valve stem seals. That's pretty much all I've done. So all you do is just push them over. So now we're gonna get to the business end of see how we go with these new valves. Rightio guys, I don't know if you can see, probably not. So I did the first one off camera, so I knew what the bloody hell I was doing. And then got the second one ready. So what we need to do is we get two of them in. Kind of easier said than done, but we'll give it a go. Right, our legends. So here we are. So all our new valve springs have been installed. All the good fun stuff.